How to find saved posts on Instagram. Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how easy find saved posts in the application Instagram. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Instagram application and go to your personal profile by clicking on the profile image in the bottom right corner. Then click on the three bars in the top right corner, and here you just need to click on the line saved, and you will find yourself in the collections of your saved posts in the application Instagram. If you have not created additional collections with saved posts, then you need to click on all posts and all. Here you can watch all your saved reels, posts and so on. And that's it. Thank you for watching.